started with carbon intermediates. The carbon intermediates we have are carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical. Carbocation and carbanion can be formed by heterolytic fission. Carbon free radical is formed by homolytic fission. We have started with carbocation. A carbocation is 6 electron species. उसका hybridization जो है, it is sp2. If it is sp2, the geometry of the carbocation is trigonal planar. So these 3 bonds are in one plane, and ये जो p orbital है, जिसमें there are no electrons, it will be perpendicular to the plane. Understand that. These 3 bonds will be in one plane. The p orbital in which you have a positive charge or which has absence of electrons will be perpendicular to the plane. Okay. Then we have seen the classification of carbocations: methyl, primary, 1 degree, 2 degree, tertiary. In the classification, this particular classification is very important: allylic, benzylic, vinylic, and aryl. Allylic में specific case में हमने allyl देखा, benzylic में benzyl, vinylic में vinyl, and in aryl the specific example is phenyl. Benzene ring के ऊपर positive charge रहा तो it will be called as phenyl. And in the stability of the carbocations, 2 important points, very very important: allyl as well as benzyl. These are highly stable. The reason behind it is because of resonance. Okay, resonance distribution of the positive charge. Vinyl and phenyl are highly unstable because in these cases the positive charge is present on double bonded carbon. Double bonded carbon is more electronegative. उसके ऊपर positive charge रहा मतलब it will be unstable. Okay, so vinyl और phenyl जो है they are highly unstable. And हमने ये भी बात किया, the positive charge in vinyl and phenyl cannot be distributed because ये जो particular positive charge है it is present in a perpendicular pair, and ये जो electrons है they are parallel. So इनके बीच में resonance हो सकता है, but these electrons can never stabilize this positive charge. Okay. Similarly vinyl जो भी है ये वाला electron density ये वाला electron density से stabilize नहीं हो पाएगा. Finally आपको इतना ही याद रखना है. If you don't understand this also, remember this बस. Vinyl and phenyl are highly unstable. So उनको बनने में बहुत ज़्यादा energy लगेगा. Allyl and benzyl are highly stable. So they will try to form more and more easily. जब भी वो बनने का chance है, immediately वो बन जाता है. मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Clear? Okay. Now general stability order. यहाँ पे acyl करके और एक पढ़ा हमने, RC double bond of positive. Acyl carbocation is highly stable because it will form octet completed resonating structure. यहाँ पे आपको 2 lone pairs से, out of these 2 lone pairs, one of the lone pair can be in resonance. Okay, एक lone pair उसके parallel plane में रहेगा, that will be in resonance. So if there is possibility for the formation of acyl carbocation, we will immediately form it. उसको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगेगा. Okay, ठीक है. General stability order: resonance stabilized carbocations are considered to be highly stable, followed by 3 degree. 3 degree ज़्यादा stable क्यों रहेगा? क्योंकि इसके अंदर alpha hydrogen ज़्यादा होगा. Then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then methyl. Least stable are vinyl and phenyl. Okay, this is the general stability order, and the stability of the carbocation is measured by the heat of formation. More is the heat of formation, less is the stability. Heat of formation मतलब उसको बनते समय the amount of energy that is getting utilized. It will be an endothermic process because you are forming an unstable species. Okay, so I can say stability is inversely proportional to heat of formation. More is the heat of formation, less is the stability. Agreed? Everyone agreed? Okay. सब लोग एक सिंक में हेड नॉट किया है. वेरी गुड. कंटिन्यू दैट. हाँ, वेरी वेरी वेरी. अब जो हम बात करने वाले हैं दी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, ऐसा याद रखो, ये अलग से हमने 7:30 लेक्चर रख के पढ़ रहे हैं. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. स्पेसिफिक स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन. जनरल स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द कार्बोकैटायन मतलब इन जनरल इफ यू वांट टू कंपेयर द कार्बोकैटायन, सबसे पहले वी विल बी गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस टू रेजोनेंस greater than 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. But there is some specific order which you need to remember. अगर इस particular order के अंदर से अगर carbocations मिला तो you need to follow this order. Once observe. See this carbocation, first carbocation. Can that be stabilized by resonance? No, right? There is no resonating system. Tell me the number of alpha hydrogens.
1.
You have only one alpha H. Even though you have one alpha H, मैंने सबसे ज्यादा stable करके लिखा वो. Okay, we will understand the reason why. Second carbocation जो है, it is tropylium. It is aromatic, and the aromaticity is because of 6 pi electrons. Third भी aromatic है, the aromaticity is because of 2 pi electrons. यहाँ पे 6 pi electrons है, यहाँ पे 2 pi electrons है. As the number of electrons are more, इसका aromaticity ज़्यादा है और इसका stability ज़्यादा है. Okay. If you see these two, this is a 3-degree carbocation which is having how many alpha H? 9 alpha H. This is the benzyl carbocation. According to our knowledge, in benzyl carbocation there is resonance. Na? If there is resonance, this is supposed to be more stable, or we expect this to be more stable when compared to 3-degree. Okay, but in this specific order, ये जो 3-degree, इस particular 3-degree ही, and you need to compare only this benzyl, not the variations of it. You need to take only benzyl and you need to take only this 3-degree. This 3-degree is considered to be more stable than benzyl. There are a lot of other reasons. We are not at all interested in the reasons. Just understand 3-degree is more stable than benzyl. Similarly, यहाँ पे देखो, ये 2-degree हो गया, ये allyl हुआ. We expect allyl to be more stable because it is having resonance. But even though it has only 6 alpha H, or it is stabilized by only hyperconjugation, we are considering this as more stable than this. इतना याद रखना आप लोग. This is considered to be more stable than this. Only यही दिखा तो आपको options में you need to consider this as more stable than this. इनका variations मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ groups लग गया. If you have an electron releasing group here, then definitely this will be more stable. Okay. Only from this specific order, if you are given carbocations, you need to use this order. इनके अलावा you will be using the general order. Resonance greater than 3-degree, greater than 2-degree, greater than 1-degree. Now let us understand the reason behind the stability of this carbocation. Okay, if I consider cyclopropane, what is the hybridization of carbon in cyclopropane? What is the hybridization of carbon in the cyclopropane? Bolo. Am I in the lecture? Yeah, I'm in the lecture. What is the hybridization of carbon in cyclopropane? Vishwaraj, please answer. Hybridization of carbon in cyclopropane. SP करके अपने आप में मत बोलो. ये क्या होता है? sp3. Okay, sp3. समझ में आया? sp3. You are having all the bonds as sigma bonds, na? If all the bonds are sigma bonds, what will be the hybridization? Everyone, the hybridization will be sp3. If the hybridization is sp3, what is the angle, or what should be the angle? 109.5 degrees. ये cyclopropane में what is the angle? Considering that as equilateral triangle, what is the angle?
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Actual में कितना होना चाहिए वो? 109.5 degrees होना चाहिए था, but कितना रह रहा है? 60 degrees. Can I say there is huge angle strain? वो एंगल के वजह से उसके अंदर जो भी स्ट्रेन डेवलप हो रहे हैं, that is called as angle strain. Ideally it has to be 109.5 degrees, but मैं जबरदस्ती से उसको 60 degrees पे रख रहा हूँ because it is a cyclopropane, it is an equilateral triangle, so I am creating huge angle strain. In order to relieve that angle strain, what happens is, everyone observe, in order to have a relief in the angle strain, you will not have overlap of the orbitals along that side. आपको ऐसा कुछ ओवरलैप होगा, और जो ऑर्बिटल्स है, the orbitals will be bending outwards because of these orbitals bending outwards. What will happen to the bond angle? It got increased. The bond angle is becoming greater than 60 degrees. Agreed? So what is happening to the angle strain? The angle strain is getting decreased. Okay. So अभी इस particular carbocation में होता क्या है? If I have this carbocation, you are having the overlap of orbitals not along the side, but थोड़ा outwards ना. So यहाँ पे आपको CH2 positive मतलब you are having an orbital here. Inside this orbital, you are having the positive charge, or you are having absence of electrons. There will be interaction between these two. ये electron density और ये वाला electron density. उनके बीच में there will be interaction because of these bent orbitals. These are called as bent bonds, or you can also call them as bent bonds or banana. You should not treat them as banana bonds. इतना ये कहो, bent bonds. Because of these bent bonds, these electrons are able to interact with this p orbital. Because of that particular interaction, you are having significant amount of stability. Clear hai? Everyone? Everyone? Okay. ठीक है. याद होगा? इतना याद रखना. You may not remember the reason. Advanced में आपको कभी-कभी reason पूछा जा सकता है. You need to see whenever this type of carbocation is being formed, उसको immediately बना देना है, because that is the carbocation with highest amount of stability. Clear? Okay, good. Please draw the resonating structures. First, always you need to transfer the electron density from higher density to lower density. Can draw this structure as well as यहाँ पे ये पाई यहाँ पे आएगा, ये यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होगा. You can also form this structure. Out of these three structures, can you tell me the order of stability of these structures? Ashraj, order of stability of these three structures. मान लेते हैं this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Tell me the order of stability. फास्ट।
सर 2 ग्रेटर देन सर 1 और 3 में कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे?
बताओ, बाकी लोग बताओ। 2 ग्रेटर देन एनी अदर आंसर प्लीज। 2 ग्रेटर देन 2 सबसे ज्यादा होगा। रीजन बिहाइंड दैट यशराज?
सर ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीट एंड वो 5 बॉन्ड्स।
काफी है। It is an octet complete structure, or you can also see the number of pi bonds. In 2 you have more number of pi bonds. Okay.
Yes.
1 और 3 में कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? This is a positive charge. Positive charge is behind negative charge. लोन पेयर मतलब यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव और लोन पेयर दूर है. So this will be a better structure when compared to this structure. So 2 greater than 1 greater than 3 will be the contribution. Okay. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव और लोन पेयर आजू बाजू में है, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव लोन पेयर थोड़ा दूर चला गया. क्लियर?
यस सर.
ओके, ठीक है. इसमें भी आप लोग ड्रॉ कर लिया होगा. The next structure will be clear. इस केस में, लास्ट केस में there won't be any resonance because it is not a resonating system. It is pi alternate positive charge. Okay, so blindly आप लोग positive charge दिखा करके resonance मत करवाओ. In this case there won't be any resonance because it is pi alternate positive charge. Okay, mark the stability of these carbocations. नील बताओ पहले का आंसर. This is allyl. This is 2 degree with 6 alpha H. This is 3 degree with 9 alpha H. सबसे पहले आपको इतना एंड पे करना है. These carbocations, do they belong to the specific order or not? Do they belong to specific order? Yes. So if they belong to specific order, what will be the stability order? 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. Even though 1 has resonance, वो जो allyl है, it is considered to be less stable when compared to the 2 degree. See the specific order. Allyl जो है सबसे कम है. Okay. So this is the answer. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Next. Samarjit, tell me the answer for the B part.
Three greater than 1 greater than 2.
Very good. It is 3 greater than 1 greater than 2. All of them don't belong to specific order. केवल ये वाला specific order से है, but these are not belonging to specific order, so we need to compare as per the resonance. यहाँ पे you can have resonance from both the sides. यहाँ पे you can have resonance only from one side, and you are also having alpha hydrogens. यहाँ पे भी आपको alpha hydrogens है. So the answer will be 3 greater than, as you are having resonance, highest amount of resonance in 3, और सबसे ज्यादा 1 में भी रेजोनेंस है, उसके बाद 2. Agreed? Resonance as well as you can also mark the alpha H. It has 6 alpha H. In this case, this is having 9 alpha H, but no resonance. In this case, you are having resonance on both sides and you are having 3 alpha H. Main dominating factor is resonance. दोनों sides से resonance है and it is highly stable. Okay, Bhargav, tell me the answer for the C part. No? Aditya Bhosle, answer for the C part. Observe. क्या क्या फैक्टर्स हो सकता है देखो. इसमें आपको 6 अल्फा एच है, इसमें आपको 9 अल्फा एच है, एंड दिस इज विनाइल. हमने डिस्कस किया विनाइल कार्बोकैटायंस आर हाईली अनस्टेबल. दिस इज आल्सो विनाइल. सो सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल तो कौन होगा? आई कैन इजीली से 3 विल बी मोर स्टेबल देन 1. उसके बाद ही आपको 2 और 4 को पुट करना है. 2 और 4 में इन 2 एटलीस्ट यू हैव एन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप. बाजू में प्लस इफेक्ट है ना. इन 4 यू आर हैविंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप, बट इट इज क्वाइट फार. थोड़ा दूर है. 2 कार्बन के बाद, एक कार्बन के बाद है ना, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली अटैच टू द कार्बोकैटायन. सो 2 विल बी मोर स्टेबल and compared to 4. Agreed? Any doubt? Any doubt anyone? सबसे पहले अल्फा एच के साथ कंपेयर किया. 6 अल्फा एच, 9 अल्फा एच. We already know that vinyl carbocations are highly unstable. 2 is vinyl. Vinyl का मतलब क्या है? डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन के ऊपर ही पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहा तो it is called as vinyl. 2 is vinyl and 4 is vinyl. In 2 you are having an electron releasing group. Hence it is considered to be more stable than 4. Okay? Okay. So Ujjwal, tell me the answer for D. In D you have 4 compounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or those who wants to answer, please raise your hand.
No.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prajin बताओ.
Sir, 2 greater than 1 greater than 3 greater than 4.
2 greater than 1 greater than 3 greater than 4. Absolutely right answer. बिल्कुल सही. Prajin, what is the reason for 2 having the most stability?
Sir, resonance.
Resonance. Very good. यहाँ पे लोन पेयर अल्टरनेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. आपको ऑक्सीजन जब भी दिया है उसके ऊपर लोन पेयर आपको इंडिकेट नहीं करेंगे. यू नीड टू नो ऑक्सीजन या नाइट्रोजन, क्लोरीन, these things will be having lone pairs. Okay, so it is lone pair and positive charge on adjacent atoms, high stability. And moreover, if you are drawing the resonating structure, what is the nature of the structure you will form? Fast.
Octet complete.
Yeah, you will be forming octet completed structure. Octet completed structures are highly stable. Okay, so सबसे ज्यादा 2 रहेगा and इस पे आपको 9 alpha H इसमें आपको 6 alpha H. What is the nature of this? This is called as phenyl. Phenyl carbocations are highly unstable. Hence 2 is greater than 1 greater than 3 greater than 4. Okay, next question. E part. Prathamesh. Now those who wants to answer can raise their hand. Prathamesh or any other person. Harshada बताओ.
So 4 greater than 1, greater than 3, greater than 2.
4 greater than 1 greater than 3 greater than 2. Absolutely right. 4 1 3 2. ये जो 4 है, this is benzyl. Everyone, this is benzyl. ये जो 1 है, this is having 6 alpha H, which is 2 degree. ये जो 2 है, alpha H कितना है? 2 alpha H है ना? First you need to compare by resonance. After that you need to compare by hyperconjugation. अगर hyperconjugation का alpha H भी same है तो then you need to compare the electron withdrawing groups with respect to inductive effect or releasing groups with respect to inductive effect. In 2 you are having 2 alpha H. In 3 you are having 5 alpha H. Resonance stabilize सबसे ज़्यादा रहेगा. So 4. उसके बाद based on alpha H, 6 alpha H greater than 5 alpha H greater than 2 alpha H. Agreed? Okay, good. Yashita, tell me the answer for F. What do you think? Answer. या जिनको आंसर करना है. Anyone wants to answer? Harshita बताओ. Yeah, Yashita, if you want to answer, you can. Harshita बताओ.
So 3 greater than 2, greater than 1.
3 greater than 2 greater than 1. Right answer. May I know the reason?
So 5-member ring is more stable than 4-member.
बिल्कुल सही. In the rings सबसे ज़्यादा 6 membered, उसके बाद 5 membered, उसके बाद 4 membered, उसके बाद 3 membered. The reason is based on the strain, angle strain. यहाँ पे आपको 60 degrees angle है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा 90 degrees, यहाँ पे और बढ़ेगा ना. So the angle strain is getting relieved. यहाँ पे you are having 4 alpha H. Even in this case, you are having 4 alpha H. Even in this case, you are having 4 alpha H. So based on alpha H, we may not compare. You can compare, you can say based on inductive effect. यहाँ पे जो है एक कार्बन बढ़ गया ना, so inductive effect ज़्यादा होगा. यहाँ पे 2 कार्बन्स बढ़ गया, so inductive effect ज़्यादा होगा. Based on inductive effect also you may compare, but the major reason is because of the relief in the angle strain. Because of the relief in the angle strain. यहाँ पे आपको 60 डिग्री से 90 डिग्रीज हुआ, and yeah, and आपको पता होगा ये एंगल, it will be closer to 109.5 degrees. जिसमें एंगल स्ट्रेन कम रहेगा उसमें स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा होगा. So what will be stability? 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. रीजन क्या है? Based on angle strain. सो ये वाला याद रखना. Okay, next question, very important. Please get me the order. The groups are hydrogen, CS3, OCS3, NO2, Cl and NH3. How to compare individual groups और उनका effects list out करो. See for the dominating effect and try to compare based on that. I want Dhruv to answer the question. Dhruv. It can be a wrong answer, don't worry, but try to answer the question. I will leave you in 10 minutes. You can have your dinner. 10 minute bus. G question is very important. Answer Dhruv.
सर हाइड्रोजन में प्लस आई इफेक्ट.
हाइड्रोजन में प्लस इफेक्ट क्यों रहेगा ध्रुव? हाइड्रोजन इज रेफरेंस फॉर ऑल.
हाँ.
उसका कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं शो करेंगे. इट इज रेफरेंस. CS3 में
प्लस आई
और
हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन.
वेरी गुड. डोमिनेटिंग इफेक्ट इज
हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन.
you will be comparing using hyperconjugation. Okay, OCS3 में
माइनस आई प्लस एम.
वेरी गुड. प्लस एम. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर लोन पे रहे इसलिए प्लस एम. डोमिनेटिंग इफेक्ट इज प्लस एम. NO2
माइनस आई माइनस एम.
माइनस आई माइनस एम. डोमिनेटिंग
माइनस एम.
वेरी गुड. Cl
माइनस आई प्लस एम.
माइनस आई प्लस एम. डोमिनेटिंग
माइनस आई.
माइनस आई. NH3
माइनस आई
माइनस आई
माइनस एम.
माइनस एम क्यों रहेगा ध्रुव? हाँ,
सर एक लोन पेयर है ना.
सो लोन पे रहे तो देगा ना. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर लोन पे रहे तो जब दिया, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर लोन पेयर जब है खींच लेगा क्या? तो इट विल बी
प्लस है.
प्लस एम. डोमिनेटिंग इज
प्लस है.
प्लस एम. ओके. Electron releasing groups, what will they make carbocation stable or destable? Electron releasing groups, they will be stabilizing the carbocation.
Yes.
Carbocation positively charged है. Electron withdrawing groups, they will be destabilizing the carbocation.
Yes.
These groups, if you observe, these groups, these are releasing electrons with resonance. This is releasing electrons with hyperconjugation. Which will be stabilizing the most? Resonance wale. Out of these two, which will be having a better resonance?
Yes.
NH3.
NH3, because nitrogen is less electronegative, oxygen is more electronegative. So
Yes.
सबसे ज्यादा कौन होगा ध्रुव? बताओ.
F.
F. Okay, greater than. उसके बाद
C.
very good. C. उसके बाद
B.
hyperconjugation. B. उसके बाद
H.
H वाला, because it is reference, it is not destabilizing. These two things are destabilizing.
Yes.
This is destabilizing with inductive effect, this is destabilizing with resonance. Better कौन होगा?
Inductive.
So it will be E. E के बाद D.
D.
Is this the order?
Yes.
Agreed? ये जो है, this is the order which is expected as per our knowledge till now. Okay. थोड़ा सा variation है. थोड़ा सा variation है. I will give you the reason. Don't worry. In case of chlorine, here, whenever you have carbocation, we will consider the plus sum of chlorine to be dominating when compared to the minus I. Let us understand the reason. Chlorine है, इसके ऊपर lone pair है. If I am making this lone pair to participate in resonance, what will happen? Please observe everyone. यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड Cl, इसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यहाँ पे CH2 पॉजिटिव. इन द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर और एक और भी है ना, ये ऐसे जाएगा, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आएगा. एग्रीड? मैं डायरेक्टली एक स्ट्रक्चर स्किप करके ड्रॉ कर लिया यहाँ पे. I will draw the intermediate structure also. आपको ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर कुछ रहेगा ना, यहाँ पे आपको पाई बॉन्ड, इसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज. एग्रीड? इन द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर ये यहाँ पे आएगा. दिस पाई बॉन्ड will be shifting here. You will have यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड Cl पॉजिटिव, बॉन्ड बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे CH2 पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज. Can you see negative and positive charges adjacent to each other? Can I form a bond between these two? CH2 पॉजिटिव में एक ऑर्बिटल है ना, and यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है. If I am forming the bond between those two, please comment on the structure that is formed. CH2, यहाँ पे double bond Cl positive. Please comment on this structure. What is the nature of this structure?
Octet complete.
Octet.
It is an octet complete structure. So इस केस में, even though the resonance participation of Cl is slightly less, we will take considerable amount of participation because of formation of an octet completed structure. Okay. Earlier cases में जब भी हमने resonance में participate करवाया, there is no chance for the formation of octet completed structure. मतलब earlier cases में हम Cl के केस में देखा तो हमने ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बनाया, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव, यहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस, इधर ये रहेगा Cl पॉजिटिव, और यू कैन हैव NH3 पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज, डबल बॉन्ड Cl पॉजिटिव. नेदर ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर्स कैन फॉर्म ए बॉन्ड हियर. यहाँ पे बॉन्ड नहीं बन सकता है. ओके, हियर we are not considering the resonance effect to be dominant because it is not having any some special stability. इस केस में I am considering the resonance to be dominant because you are forming a structure where you are having octet completion. इस केस में वैसा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इस केस में minus I is considered to be greater when compared to plus M, but not in case of carbocation. Very important. So carbocation केस में क्या करेंगे हम? We will be considering the resonance of Cl dominant when compared to the plus M. Sorry, minus I. So ये नहीं होगा. The dominating effect is plus M greater than minus I. इस केस में याद होगा. कार्बोकैटन के केस में आपको plus M of halogens is considered to be more when compared to the minus I. So based on that, can you now tell me the order? कैन यू टेल मी द ऑर्डर? अभी भी Fe ज्यादा रहेगा बिकॉज उसका रेजोनेंस तो प्रेडोमिनेंट है. उसके बाद C, उसके बाद यू विल बी हैविंग E बिकॉज दिस इज स्टेबलाइजिंग बाय रेजोनेंस. B में यू आर स्टेबलाइजिंग बाय हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन. उसके बाद यू विल बी हैविंग A. उसके बाद लास्ट में यू विल बी हैविंग D. दिस इज द एक्चुअल ऑर्डर. Agreed? Any doubt, anyone? If you have any doubt, please ask me. As due to resonance of X an octet completed
So,
structure is formed. Yeah.
sir, in C and E, we compared using lone pair on nitrogen and oxygen.
That leads to, एक minute. Significant stability. हाँ हर्षिता बताओ.
Sir, in
In-
C and E, we compared, नहीं, F और C में we compared using lone pair ना.
We are comparing using electronegativity.
हाँ, nitrogen was less electronegative, so we have taken it first.
Yeah.
So then chlorine is also less than nitrogen. No?
But यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं एंडिंग में we are considering the resonance effect of it slightly lesser when compared to the oxygen and nitrogen because of 2p overlap. यहाँ पे 2p overlap है इन केसेस में and इस केस में it is 3p. In this case the overlap is the significant factor, not the electronegativity. यहाँ पे रेजोनेंस में अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पा रही है. ओके क्लियर है? सो स्टार्टिंग में जब एग्जांपल मैंने समझाया उस एग्जांपल में भी we need to consider the 3p2p, but in the option as per the options you don't have thiophene to be least stable, इसलिए वहां पे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी से करना पड़ा हमें. but actual में you need to compare the 2p 3p because they are belonging to different groups. They don't belong to the same period, na? They belong to the different period. Along the period you need to compare electronegativity along group. You need to compare if they belong to different periods. You need to compare the size. Periodic properties में ऐसा ही कुछ पढ़ते हैं हम. Agreed? So यहाँ पे आप लोग 2p 3p resonance हो रहे. That resonance is quite less when compared to the 2p 2p. इसलिए OCH3 और NH3 ज्यादा ही रहेंगे. Clear है? Okay. Okay. बस ये क्वेश्चन कर लेना. We will take leave. From which position should H minus be removed in order to form a stable carbocation? किस पोजीशन से? You are having 4 options A, B, C, D. कहाँ से आपको H minus हटाना चाहिए in order to form a carbocation? Answer? Sorry? D. A से हटाएंगे ना. यहाँ पे कार्बोकैटायन बनाया तो you need to form a carbocation. It can be stabilized by resonance and you can form an octet complete structure. इसके ऊपर positive. This is having octet completion. Highly stable. So you will be removing H minus from A. You are removing H minus. You are not removing H positive. You are removing H minus to form a carbocation. So H minus कैसे remove करेंगे? किसके साथ remove करेंगे? It is not part of the question. Don't worry. You will be removing it by some means with the help of any reagent. अगर निकालना है तो कहाँ से निकालेंगे? यहाँ पे stable carbocation बन रहे, hence you will be forming the carbocation at this position, or you will be removing hydride from A. Okay. ठीक है, thank you. We will continue in the next lecture.